Hey everybody, Josh from Brinkley. Today we're going to be talking about one of our new features on 2026 Model Gs, which is our Firefly Control System. Some of my favorite things about the Firefly are, number one, ultra precise tank level readings. We've heard your feedback, guys. These things measure tank holding levels in 10% increments. Gets rid of the probes which have inaccurate or vague readings. You can control this system wirelessly anywhere. As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, you can have your HVAC, your lighting. You can see how your power is responding, all from your phone and the app that corresponds with Firefly. So if you're out hiking and it's really, really hot, you got pets back in your camper, you can pull your phone out, turn on that AC, keep your pets comfortable. Or let's just say there's a windstorm that kicks up while you're out doing some activity. You can roll your awnings in from your phone as well. Now here from Firefly is Enos Miller, that's going to walk you through the entire system.
Let me walk you through the Firefly system. It's an app-style system, very intuitive, and it's one touch away from the information you're looking for. Let me walk you through as you're coming up to the campground. First thing you want to do is you want to go in and run out your leveling, get your unit all leveled. We have an auto level feature and an all retract feature. You want to run out your slide outs after the leveling's done. It's a nice floor plan layout specific to the Brinkley unit. You can see which side of the unit that you're operating, where the slide out is at, so you're not surprised on what slide out is running. Same thing with your awning. It'll show you what awning that you're running and operating. You want to turn on your lights, one touch away. Some of them are dimmable, some are not. You'll notice that some of them have triangles on it and others don't. Those indicate that they're dimmable. They have the slider on the side that gives you the percentage. They have the light masters. The cool thing about the light masters is they will remember when you shut them off, it'll remember what percentage that each light was and what light was on and what light was off, and it'll default back to the position that they were when they were turned off. The electrical page, what's really cool about the Firefly system, it will actually show you the power flow arrows, where your power is coming from, where it's going through, and each one is your shoreline, your transfer switch, your inverter, and it'll show you where the power is coming from and where it's headed to. You can start and stop your generator. You can adjust your power, shore power size. So if you pull in at home, you only have 15 amps available at your garage. You can come in and turn it to 15 amps so that all the EMS system in the unit works properly. You can disable and enable your charger and inverter settings. The climate page, you have the cool and heat option and your furnace options. On this page, it's really cool. You have a slider that you can adjust, or you can use the arrows. And anytime that when the cooling comes on, each one will illuminate and show you which one is on and which one's off. Your tank monitoring system, you have 5 tanks for your freshwater and your black tank and gray. Then you have your 2 fuel tanks. You have your fresh tank heater. As you can see, once I turn it on, it illuminates to let you know that it's on. When it's not illuminated, it's off. Here's your water pump as well. The diagnostics page will show you what each circuit has and if it's activated and how many times it has been turned on and how many hours that it actually has operated. You have your devices. It'll show what firmware that's on each device in the system. It's very intuitive where you can touch each plug. It will show you the pinout, the labeling of each channel, and the status of the channels. You can see the current, the normal currents, and the duty cycles for each circuit. It even comes with a diagnostics portion, very similar to your car. When your tire pressure it goes low, it'll identify on your dash, the light will come on, very similar to that. It will identify if there's anything wrong in the system. It will throw the fault and it'll tell you, give you direction and tell you what or how to get it corrected again. This is your setup page where the app, there's also an app available that you can run global or local. The global side of it gives you access to your heating and cooling and a lot of other features, just not the mechanical portion of it. The local site gives you more access to your slide outs and leveling and awnings. The bottom portion of the screen is customizable, giving you easy access to the items that you're frequently using. You don't need a printed owner's manual anymore. At your fingertip, you have your owner's manual in the system. It'll walk through each button that's on the screen. It'll show the lighting, your electrical page. There's a lot included, so some of them you might have to scroll. It'll explain every detail of every button and every operation of the screen.
Thank you to Enos from Firefly for showing you guys how that system works. I love how responsive that touchscreen is, and you will too. For more information on Model G, check out BrinkleyRV.com.